Look at my limpias. Hoy, hindi tuturon. Bastos. It's lumpia.
Lawa ka bumalaba ka baba habang ang mata mga tropad manat.
That's also another nice card game. And Master Larissa will demo.
Bruh.
See, I get you and I get you, you got me. Everybody in this world, it's just you and me. And now it's up until the world until you something over me. No matter who you're going, who you're going.
Nasa band na kami, sabi ko. Galit ka sa akin. Sabi ko, galit ka ba sa akin? Well, it's very ano naman. Like, I cannot even imagine this place I'm in. And it's so nakakaloka sometimes. Like, I did not even expect things. Take it all. No, baby, no, kill it.
Kahit na magpili kita sa sandaling kailangan mo ako.
1, 2, 3, mabuhay, hi. INF.
This Jose is a national hero at alumnus din ng UST. Sinong Jose?
Jose! Taco Rizal!
Si Maritza.
No, don't break finish na lang! Uy! Uy! Okay, isa ba? Mag-usap ko?
Don't I love it when we
Anong prutas ang hindi namamatay? It's avocado de lisa. Ah!
Or on 27. Ano ang questions or concerns regarding the assignment for today's academy?
Ano ko yun?
Kung na rin kinakain ng mangga. Share ka naman. Ang sarap naman. Mali. Wow, that's alright. Ate.
Selfie, hindi tayo mabubuhay kapag wala ganyan.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, my God. Halabira.
And, you know, you also have to cut it down.
Take it all. No, baby, no, kill it. Uy, guys!
Magkano allowance to? For school? Depends sa sahod ko.
Mangga! Kahit itong katabi ko parang...
Oh my God, may hand wash din.
Although I'm pretty sure he never met a hoarder.
Nakita ko! Ay, buntis! Uy! Grabe naman! Porkit malaki yung tiyan.
May nagsabi, bading po ako. Girl sing.
Grabe yun siya kalamig ba?
That's alright. Not even English.
And share this live stream. Grabe talaga.